Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am Diamond 76 Home Decor on a budget, but for today's unboxing, I'm not going to be on a budget today. I'm going to be unboxing a gift that I received from my husband for our anniversary. My anniversary isn't yet, okay? I just got the present for my anniversary a little early because I am impatient. I'm not patient. So I would like to share this unboxing with you guys. And if you want to see what I got, then please keep on watching. Okay, this is the box that it came in. And my address is on the other side. Okay, because I forgot to take it off. So this is the box that it came in. And on this side, it says Tiffany and Co. And I'm trying to make sure I don't show my address, which I should have taken it off, but I didn't. And let me put this on the floor. So yes, this is how it, oh, I love this packaging. I don't even want to tear it. It says Tiffany and Co, New York, and it has it all over the wrapping paper. And you know what, I could slide it out. And like I said, it is 2 bracelets, and this is my very first time receiving anything from Tiffany's. And my husband asked me what I wanted, and I told him. And this is just my address on here. Okay, and they do give you 2 blue Tiffany bags, which is the color that represents Tiffany. And I think these are 2 cards that are in here, or blank cards, if you wanted to give you 2 envelopes. So that way, if you want to write something, you can, and you can just place them in this. And let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Okay, I don't know which one to start with. So I have 2 boxes right here. And let me start with this one. Go ahead. I feel like it's my birthday. And again, it has Tiffany on the box. And, ooh, I like how it comes packaged. It is in a pouch. And I did get my sizes. I had to measure my wrists to make sure that they did fit. And it has a Tiffany and Co card. I'm only going to show you the card on this one right here. And let's open the package up, or the pouch. Okay. I wanted 2, and this is the first one out of the 2. Okay. I feel like I got a piece of hair in my mouth. So this is this one right here. Okay, let me hold it up. And on this side, it is blue. And I really love that. I love that it has a, what is this? This says AG20. I have on glasses and still can't see. I think that's 925. And it does has a clasp on here because I wanted to make sure that they do stay on my arm. And this is what the other side say. If I can get it turned around. I can't because my fingers are too big. But yeah, this is the first one right here. And let's open the second one. Okay. And for the second one, it is packaged just like the first one. And it's also in a Tiffany blue pouch. And let me open this. I am so nervous because this is my first time getting anything from Tiffany. And, ooh, this is so pretty. Okay. This is the second bracelet that I got. On this side, it says Tiffany and Co, New York, 925. So that's what the other one was saying. Okay, if you can see it. Okay. And I really love, now they have another one like this, but I wanted the one with the clasp because I wanted to make sure that the claw or the lobster hook, because I wanted to make sure that it would stay on my arm. And let me go ahead and put it on. And it's really heavy too. Let me see if I can put it on right. And no, I'm not going to be able to put it on. Let me turn it this way. Even if I put it on wrong, it's okay. My daughter will be here tomorrow. I wanted something that I could take a bath in, take a shower in, and not have to worry about taking it off. And give me 1 second. I almost got it, I think. It's kind of hard trying to put this on by myself. Oh no, I was trying to put it on so you guys can see it. Let me switch arms and do it that way. Okay. Yeah. And I almost got it. There we go. So, and I didn't put it on right, but that's okay. But this is how it looks on my arm. Okay, let me see if I can see on the receipt the name of the bracelets that I got. It doesn't, okay. The one of them that I got is the I think it's Sterling, Return to Tiffany heart tag. And I think that's this one right here. And if you are a Tiffany fan, then please correct me if I did get it wrong. But yeah, this is, I think that is this one. And this one is the Sterling heart bead bracelet. And I think that's this one right here. And it's blue on this side right here. And the reason why I wanted these bracelets is because I had been seeing it. If you know her and you're familiar with her, she did have a channel on YouTube. Her name is Zoila. And every time I saw her arm, it was just filled with Tiffany beautiful bracelets. And I loved how they looked on her. So I wanted to go ahead and get two for myself. And I have to thank my husband because it was really sweet of him to give me my gift early for our anniversary. And I love you, sweetheart, and I really appreciate the gifts, and I'm really loving them. And we do save up for our birthdays, anniversaries, and everything. And I'm really blessed and really appreciative right now of my husband because he works really hard. So yeah, these are the bracelets that I got from Tiffany. And I really have to thank the Zoila because she did help me with the sizing to make sure that I picked out the right sizing for these bracelets. And I really appreciate her help and her time that she took with me and helping me pick out what I liked and the sizes. And I'm really loving the bracelets. Again, my name is Diamond 76 Home Decor on a budget. Usually I do budget home decor, but I wanted to go ahead and show my anniversary gifts that I got early. And if you want to join me on my Instagram, please join me at Diamond2872. I will be happy to have you over there. And if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that bell for any video uploads or any video notifications. And I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye-bye.